UK. With respect to the stocks and securities matter, when I gave my policy address in the week of January 23rd, I gave the country a commitment that I'd be writing to one of our partners to seek assistance from overseas international forensic auditors to assist the Financial Investigations Division in the investigation of the 13-year fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited. I followed through on that commitment that very week and wrote to the British High Commission, and through that collaboration, we are here today to sign with Kroll Associates UK, a firm of a subsidiary of Kroll International, a firm known for their forensic audit experience and expertise. This fraud, as I mentioned, and as the other members of, well, the executive director of the FID mentioned, is complex, complicated because of the length of time over which it was perpetrated. Kroll will bring to the table in their assistance to FID technology and the fraud squad, technology and expertise that will enable the investigators to unravel every aspect of this fraud. So the policy directive with respect to the investigation in the SSL matter consists of, first, leaving no stone unturned; secondly, to follow the evidence wherever it might lead; and third, to seek international help; and fourth, the government will provide whatever resources are required. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.